guys, and welcome to my channel. I am LoveNicole. I focus on lifestyle, beauty, and fashion. And in today's video, you guys, like, YouTube for me just got real. Like, what do you mean, LoveNicole? Like, what are you talking about? Like, you guys, for Mother's Day, my husband brought me a camera because I told him, like, I want to do better quality videos. I want to start vlogging. And, like, you guys, like, he listened. And I can't believe he got me a camera for Mother's Day. Like, what better thing to do than to get your wife a camera? Because she's telling you that YouTube is real. It's not just a hobby for her anymore. It's something that she wants to do and she wants to grow. And like, I know I may not seem very happy or grateful, but you guys, like, I'm really, really happy. Like, I'm one of those people you give a gift to and they're kind of like awkward. Like, I don't like to draw a lot of attention to myself, but I'm really happy. But yeah, so I got the Canon Powershot SX740. Like, he got it from Best Buy, and it retails at $399.99. So thanks, baby, you did a great job. So yeah, so I wanted to wait and open it up with you guys. He was like, you're not gonna open up, you're not gonna use it. And I'm like, no, I'm gonna share it with my YouTube family and friends. Like, no, I'm not going to open it up now and start recording. Like, I'm like so happy. But here's the box. Yes, here's the box. Let's go ahead and open this. Well, before it's Wi-Fi and it is Bluetooth compatible, so that means that I'm able to hook it up to like my phone as well as hook it up to my computer. So yeah, we're gonna have some dope videos coming real soon, you guys. It is 4K, so that's even better. It's 20.3 megapixels. I don't know what that means yet, but I'm going to read up on it. So yeah, so opening up the box. Oh, and it's the black one, and I look you guys, like, let me turn this light down some. Like, you guys can see that you're able to see yourself with this feature right here, so I really do like that. Yep. So let's go ahead and open up the box. So as we're opening up the box, it has the Canon limited warranty in there. So I guess I need to go ahead and send this off. I'm pretty sure the warranty probably would cover it if anything was to happen to the camera. They may cover it or either replace it. I'm hoping. I'm not sure, but he did get the protection at Best Buy, so Best Buy, they're gonna cover me as well. And it also comes with the Powershot SX7 HS Getting Started Guide. And you guys know, as a culture, you know, we don't read, but guess what? Your girl, she gonna read today, because like I don't know how to work no camera. Like, come on, you guys. Like, I've been recording on my iPhone 11 Pro, and yeah, so I'm gonna read up. I'm gonna YouTube it, but yeah, I ain't gonna say I'm gonna read the whole thing, but I'm gonna find out what I need to do to make sure my videos are on point. So yep, come with that. It also comes with another little registration to register. I don't know what it is. It comes with a battery, and because, like, you guys, like, I do plan to be recording and not just playing around with this camera, I know I'm gonna have to buy me another battery, because I would hate to be recording and my battery die and I get some great stuff and you guys can't be a part of that too, because, you know, we like family over here. We family, and, you know, yeah. It also comes with a battery pack where you just, you know, can charge your battery. So it comes with a battery pack, and it lets you know when it's charging and when it needs to be and when it's full. So yeah, it comes with the battery pack. It comes with this little screen. Yeah, I probably won't use this. I know I want to use this. And Dun, 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 the camera. Like, I thought the camera would be like lightweight, but this thing got a little weight on it, baby. So that means I'm be doing a little, getting some arm exercises in. So just looking at it, this is what it looks like. It's the Canon the 40 optical zoom, so that means that I could be far away and it's going to zoom in, and I'm hoping and praying it will give me a nice clear picture. It has the on and off switch, it has a recording, it has a lot of other little different things on it too that I don't know anything about. That's why I'm going to read up on it. Like I said, I will probably do another video with me learning how to use the camera. I have not charged a battery or anything like that up on the camera. So yeah, I can't wait to show you guys what that's gonna look like. So looking at the camera, it does flip up, which I like. Oh, my fingerprints all on it. So yeah, so I really do like this. It looks like, you know, it's gonna, you know, give me some good frames. Let me see if I can go ahead and add in my battery so that you guys are able to just see. Well, I don't know. We're gonna wait. We're gonna wait and we're gonna use it together. Yeah, I can't wait. But looking at the back, it has like the menu, and then I guess this right here is where it will start your video, or maybe you're able to go back and look at your pictures. It has like the trash button, and also right here is for it to Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. So it is Bluetooth and Wi-Fi compatible. And yeah, like I can't wait to start seeing what all the features are on the camera. I'm also can't wait to jazz it up with like cute little camera, little silicones, and get me a tripod so that when I'm out, people gonna be like, what are you doing? I'm vlogging. Come on, you guys know. Yes, I'm a YouTuber. It's official. Like, y'all, I'm so happy. Like, I really am happy. Like, yeah, just knowing that he knows that this is something that I'm serious about and I'm not playing, and just surprised me with this. Like, I'm really happy that he is being as supportive as he is. So yes, I have the Canon SX740. Like I said, I will read the guide a little bit. Probably won't read the whole thing, and more than likely I will YouTube whatever I don't know. But I'm still learning how to edit, how to film, and how to do different things with YouTube and videos. But I just know that this start right here is going to have our channel lit, you guys. Like, I'm super happy. Like, what more can you ask for? Like, come on. Like, LoveNicole is really gonna be real, you guys. Like, yes, I can't wait. Super duper excited. So all I can say is we got some good videos coming real soon, you guys. So, you know, and hopefully before the end of this month, I will have my first vlog up. So yes, and I'm thinking it may be a birthday vlog, because I'm thinking about doing a wine tasting for my birthday. So yeah, I can't wait for that. Super duper excited for that. So yeah, I am LoveNicole. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to tell a friend, tell your sister, to tell her friends to like and subscribe and to share my videos. And we are growing, but guess what? I need you guys' help to continue to doing that. So give this video a like, a thumbs up, and subscribe. And I am LoveNicole, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.